Hey guys, so I'm really making this video for my new subby named Alexis. Hey girl, this is for you. I'm making this video especially for you. And I just want to thank you for subscribing, and thank you for everybody else who subscribed to me. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate and love you guys. Every last one of you. Whatever you want to see from me, if you ask, I will make the video just for you. Because you guys deserve it. You guys are my subby. I'm back. It's been about 2 weeks since I bleached my hair, and it's still looking pretty good. I have a lot of new growth already. If you guys could see, my roots are already turning black so fast. My hair never grew that fast, only in locks. My roots was never out by 2 weeks or a week. But with this, when I dyed it, after like less than a week, I already seen my roots was already growing back out, which is pretty freaking fast. Like, that's a good thing, because now I know that my hair is growing very fast, pretty fast, and I love it. So yeah, so I just got out the shower and my hair feels a little dry, so I just want to show you guys how I get the moisture back in my hair. But this is how it looks, guys. I didn't get no damages done to my hair by the bleach. Still feel the same, still strong and still thick. You know, it's not like super dry. Like, you know, bleach tends to dry your hair a lot, because I did put oil and conditioner in my bleach before putting it in my hair, and I prepped my hair for it pretty well, so that helped my hair out a lot. And I had my hair in this style for like a week from now. When I style my hair, I don't really style it often. When I style my locks, I leave the styling for about 2 weeks before I do something else with my hair. Because it's pretty, right? And I don't got time to style my hair every day in different ways, so now I'm taking this out to moisturize it, and I'm just gonna let it down. Just let it breathe and hang. I left my hair in for so long that it could stay like this without falling down. That's how long I had my ponytails and my pigtails. Yeah, they're a little dry right now. I haven't really did anything to my hair for like 3 days. I do spray it every day. I spray my hair, but like with the whole oil and extra stuff, I don't do that every day. I just take my Rosewater if I'm going out or when I wake up, and I just spray it while it's still in the pigtails like this. I would just spray all over and massage it through like this, and then I'm out the door. That's how fast I get ready with my hair now. I love it. Less time wasted on hair. Today I'm going to be using, of course, my spray water. I said spray water. My Rosewater. I just be putting it in any empty bottle I have. I don't throw away my bottles so that I could reuse them. So that's what I'm going to be using. All spray my hair with Rosewater mixed with vitamin E oil. And my next product is Coconut oil strong root spray for dry, damaged, or color treated hair. And it is from PALMER'S coconut oil formula with vitamin E. I've been using this product for a while, guys. Even with my loose natural hair, I always get this from Walmart. It's really good. It's a really good moisturize, and it has coconut oil and other oils, peppermint oil, a lot of good ingredients, you guys. Too much for me to read. I could just buy it and read it. And it's raw coconut oil, all natural, all natural. Let's keep it all natural, guys. And my next product, since I ran out of my own personal oil mixture, I use this. It is Garnier Fruits. I don't know how to say that, guys. It is triple nutrition marvelous oil with avocado oil and almond oils. Dry to very dry hair, 3 times moisture, proven strength system, proven. I've been using this for a while too. I use this in a lot of things. I use this with weaves, wigs. I use it before I used to flat iron my wigs when I used to wear them. I use this when I do other people's hair. I use this oil on them. It's pretty good. Focus on the roots, guys. Aim for the roots. That's where the hair grows. That's what we need to focus on the most, is the roots. And if you guys didn't know, I made my own big old bottle of Rosewater because it is a little pricey for a little bit that you get. So I made my own. If you guys want to check it out and see how you can make your own, just go on my channel and you'll see the video. Save money, live better. Make your own. If you can make your own, make your own. Like really get in your scalp, guys. Aim for the scalp. I'm gonna go in with the coconut oil. I know we're gonna fall. Spraying our roots again, guys. This is a root spray, strong root spray, so it tells you what it does, y'all. It's kind of hard to spray. What's up with this? I hate when spray bottles give you a hard time to spray. Like, my little hands are really small and I gotta struggle to press the thing. Edges. See how nice and moisturized my hair is looking already, y'all. Nothing dry over here. Nothing dry. As you guys, my hair was stiff before. Now look at that balance. No stiff locks over here, none. So now it's time to put in the oil in my hair. Show you guys how it really looks. They sell this at Walmart and your hair stores. So spray a little. It's kind of hard to pump. It's so annoying. hair feels so good, and this smells so good. This oil smells like heaven. I love the smell, and it makes my hair feel super soft. It was like the finishing touch. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Guys, I'm telling you, I only use the best things. I've had years of trying products, and I found the best products. Every products I use, I buy, I've been using for years. Because now that I'm almost 25, I can say that I know exactly what my hair likes, don't like what it loves. I know it all about my hair. Just spend time with your hair, guys. Try things. If it don't work, pay attention to your hair, pay attention to your scalp, so you can see what works and what doesn't work for you, since we're all different. Let me show you guys the back. It, you guys. That's pretty much all you do. It's pretty easy. So I'm just gonna let my hair lay down like this, put my hair cap on, and go to sleep. And tomorrow I will do the same routine, so my hair could be all nice at work. So you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on my video. And if you like how I take care of my hair and you want to go through my journey with me, subscribe to my channel. I will very appreciate it. So hope you guys have a good night or a good day. Peace and stay blessed.